Hey, do you know you can earn from social media platforms? Of course, you know it all. But do you know you can earn from Twitter too? Yes, you can. Want to learn how? So without wasting any time, let's get started. There are some basic eligibility criteria for it. Number 1, you should be of 18 years of age. You should have at least 500 followers on your X. And one important one, you must subscribe Twitter Blue on X because this is going to give you different perks on the platform. It has two subscription plans. First one is $8 per month when you are using website, and the second one is $11 per month for your iOS devices. And the most important and most crucial one, you must have 15 million impressions on your X from past 3 months. To join this creators ad revenue program, all the requirements are necessary, but the most important one, which I told you, the 15 million impression one, is something that you have to work on. So I have some tips for you. First thing, to get those impressions, you need to optimize your profile first. That will count your profile picture, which has your clear face or any NFT art or your name, your username. If you are having an alter personality or hashtag related to it, like I always use for me is Himanshuism. These small little things stand out as a unique personality for your profile. Next comes your banner. It should be something short, crisp, and not more than 3 words. It can be adjectives or any tagline you use oftenly. Next one is you should pin the best tweet of yours, because whenever someone visits your profile, that person gonna see it first and judge your profile accordingly. And their reaction should be like, whoa, that's something amazing. Let me scroll down more. Now, how the revenue process starts. See, Twitter works on ads to get the revenue. There are a number of big brands who are paying to run their ads in front of a relevant content. The way you get paid is the more ad variables will be served under those tweets and the more cut you can take from those revenues. Now you will be thinking that all you need to do is the impression work, not the followers, because followers are your loyal subscriber and this audience serves the consistency in your impressions. So more followers means more impressions. But to get those impressions, you really need to work hard, but not literally. You have to actually work smarter. Tip again, become a reply guy. The guy who replies to others' tweets in such a way that the reply becomes more engaging, funny, smart, savage, or even dank, and that can convince others to visit their profile without even asking for it. Then the next step, find your niche, because if you're delivering same type of similar content in a versatile way, that means you are unlocking more and more impressions for yourself. People will start following your content, your tweets. Your niche can be anything, like you can create memes, you can go for gaming content, you can go for fact check, you can go for news, you can do crypto, beauty, or any art you want to work on. I'm not saying hitting those 15 million impressions is quite easy, but if you work on yourself daily and you'll be consistent and aware about your content, then it will become easier for you. What you have to do actually is, your goal will not be so far for you if your consistency become your habit. So that's all in this video. If you like this video useful and informative, then give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Keep watching GetAssist.